Okay, I've not done a video in a while. We're in Chapeltown in Sheffield. We're building a 5 metre by 3 metre garden office. I'm going to do a video today on garden decking. So what we've done, we've put a weed membrane over the full area. We're now going to dig some holes which will support this 4x2 and we'll create the 4x2 frame. Then what we're going to do then is put a composite decking down. We're going to dig the holes. We're going to use a grafter shovel and we're going to use a post hole shovel, and we're going to get rid of the muck and skip it. We've got a laser on the go there and all, which we're going to use to level. I'll let you have a little pop around and all, and we'll have a look at what Amy's doing in a bit. We've also put this fence up as well, concrete posts, concrete gravel boards, and the fence panel. Around, we're going to hardscape round and put some gravel down there. We've put some slate chip pins. We're going to drop a metal back on there as well, metal roofing sheets, which I'll show you how to do as well. So that's it. If you keep watching, I'll show you how we're going to do this decking. Thank you. Right, so what I've done, I've dug 4 holes down that edge there. What we're going to do now is put some posts in, post mix them in, and then we'll get this timber here and fix it leveled. So them holes, they're about 350, 400 deep, about 250 wide. That's more than plenty. What we'll do is we'll get the 4x4 posts, which I've got there. It's all tanalised and treated. We'll put them in the hole, we'll drive them down with a lump hammer, and then we'll post mix them in. And then we'll fix that to there, and I'll chop the tops off with a chainsaw, 'cause it's a lot easier that way. Right, so what we've done now, we've put our 4x4 posts, which we've cut just above the height we need. We're going to hold them on the string line, and we're going to fill the holes with this post mix. What we're going to do then is wash the post off, so I'm going to chop the chops off with a chainsaw. So, because that'll kill the blade. So we're going to fill these right to the top like we have done there. They've followed the string line. What we'll do then, we'll go around that perimeter there, around that perimeter, and then we'll create our front there, and then we will drop in our centre timbers and put more supports in there as well. Same procedure as this. Right, so we've got a perimeter of 4x4s concreted in round. So what we're going to do now is put perimeter timber on. It's 4x2, it's tanalised. What we're going to have with this one, we're going to have it so that it's about 2.5, 3 inches under the step. That'll be the detail on there. So what we've done now, we've put level on there, levelled it across. I've just put 1 screw in for the time being. I've used these 6-inch screws. What I'm going to do, put 1 in for the time being, and then I'll chop the top off with a chainsaw, and then we can spike it and nail it properly. Right, so what we're going to do now, we've put the perimeter in, you can see round there. Paul's going round and putting the 400 centres in. The 4x2's going across there, they're at 400 centres, that's what you want for composite decking. And what I'm going to do now is just chop the top of these posts off with chainsaw and then go around and fix them all. So we've continued the string line straight across the front. What we're going to create then is a step across the front, using the string line to get the 4x4s in nice and level with each other. There's another row going in there as well, and that'll create the step. Put the other timbers in there now, they're just going to get noggined out now. Right, so the full frame is in now. What we're doing now is dropping some 4x4s in between the middle of the frame to take any bounce or sag out of it as well. You can see the step across there as well. The bloody bog again. Trying to keep it tidy, but obviously that didn't work out for us.
Oh, yeah. Your hand right off. Wax that,
That's us done for today now. So we've got 4x2 all the way around. We've got 4x4. Everything's pressure treated. It's concreted in. We've put this membrane down on top of the 4x2 because it's composite decking, and when you see through the gaps, you can see the green wood, and it looks terrible. So that'll present a black shadow gap. See, that's solid all the way around now. So tomorrow we'll drop the decking boards on. We'll get the rest of this seeded. I'll show you some detailing on that cedar, and hopefully we'll get some metal cladding on the back. So don't forget, I've got a Pazload giveaway on Instagram. If you follow Oakwood Garden Rooms, look for the giveaway video and leave a comment, and you'll be in the draw for the Pazload. And that's it, yeah. So watch out for December's raffle, which we're going to organise pretty soon and get going. And don't forget, build packs, they're on sale, Black Friday sale. Finishes on Friday, and they will not be on sale again for a very, very long time. Thank you.